Guys, this is your girl, Lady Lydia, and I have this easy, delicious, and very simple dessert for you to make for any occasion. This baby will be the star of any gathering, baby shower, bridal shower, you name it, especially for the holidays. So listen, this is what we call deviled strawberries. So it is so delicious. The filling is made with cream cheese. And so without further ado, let's get into it. Guys, as you can see, after washing the strawberries, we're going to go ahead and cut the tops off and slice them in half. And then after that, we'll move on to our next step. I apologize, by the way, for the shakiness of the camera, so please forgive me. So this next step is very simple. You just want to take a, instrument or a knife or something, a little spoon, and just take a little bit out of the center of each strawberry. And this is just to help hold the filling. Guys, so next it is time to make the filling. So I'm using Neuchâtel cheese. You can also use cream cheese, it's totally up to you, but either one will be delicious. And I'm telling you, this is a simple but yet very tasty filling, and you can actually use this in other dishes as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get it moving. For the next step, you're going to go ahead and add some Cool Whip. I'm using Cool Whip. You can also blend your own, heavy whipping cream and make some yourself. It's totally up to you. You use about, I would say, maybe 12 ounces, and then blend it until you have stiff peaks. So we're just going to fold this in. We're not going to blend it. We want to just, make sure we keep that air in the pool whip and the filling, just blending it together. All right, so since it is blended, now we're going to go ahead and put it into a piping bag. If you don't have one, you can use a spoon or a little scoop. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. Decorate this. This is your dessert, okay? Now, my piping bag, I got the wrong tip, but nevertheless, I'm just kind of giving you an idea of how you can do it. So you can put as much filling on there as you want. It's totally up to you. So let's go ahead and get into it. So now that we've put the filling on top of the strawberries, we're going to now go ahead and sprinkle some graham cracker crumbs on each strawberry. And again, this make it your dessert, so you can sprinkle as much as you want. Or if you don't want to use graham crackers, if you have another cookie that you want to, crumble up, you can do that as well. So, but this is just an idea of what you can do. The sky is the limit. But I want to say that I thank each and every one of you for watching and your support to my channel. Thank you so much and take care.